Hi all. Okay, so if you have a Dyson, this one is V15, and you have these issues that I will show you now. When I'm opening the bin, it's go out all the way and it doesn't stop. So can be many issues, but one of them is to replace this part only. Yeah. So I bought one of these that should fit, and I will show you how to do it. But before doing it, on Dyson V15, in order to remove the battery, you just press the button and you take it out, and then you can start to work on it. Okay, basically it should be very easy. I've never done it. Just 2 screws on the back here, if you can see, and here Phillips screws, and it should be very simple to do it. Let's see. Yeah, 1 screw on this side. Oh, it's a long one. One on the other side. Yeah, I think they're basically both out. Yeah, they are. And now there is additional clip that catch it. I think that okay, I'm not sure that these are the only screws, because as mentioned, this is the first time that I'm doing it, so I will keep on going, taking all the other part in order to make sure. I think this is blocking to get it out, this part. So yeah, so probably it's not that simple as I thought. And here you have, I think these are Torx, I'm almost sure. I need to check, because usually these screws are Torx, but you can't see them actually because they are deep inside. I still can't see what kind of screws I have inside. This is not fit. Regular Phillips also, because the screwdriver fit. Yeah, so you have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only 4 screws Phillips. I think so. Yeah, it looks promising. You see, I don't exactly know what catching it, doing it like you first time, but only what is going on. Yeah, I see only 3 out of 4. So what happened to the 4th? One of them did not go out, and I don't know which one. But, now we have it. Of course it falls. Yeah, now maybe now I will be able to remove this part. Let's see. Yeah, because this part is there is additional screw here on the bottom. This is the reason I couldn't get to it. So yeah, you need to open this part only, but the problem is that the screws on the bottom is Torx. So why are they doing it? So it will be more complicated to get it for sure. I don't know the size, you know, I'm just looking, and the ones that looks fit, I'm using it. Yeah. So this one I will use the Bosch. Okay. Very easy when you have the correct tools. So yeah, now let's look at this one. Yeah, they look the same. Look the same. But I'm not on the correct spot here. Why it can be simple when it can be much more complicated? Why they do it? I really don't understand how these things goes. Huh. I was sure I was on the spot, but eventually I was not. Still not on the spot. Okay, I have an idea. And my idea is to keep this screw to the last and first to close the two screws on the side. But where these screws were, yeah, these were the two screws from the side, you see. I'm just trying and error, like everything in real life. Yeah, this one is in. This one is in, this one is in. Now the last should fit because they're all the way in. Yeah, and it did fit. Okay, this is the correct way to do it. And now everything in reverse order, of course. Just want to check that everything is in place. Now I have a gap, you see? No way should be a gap here. There's no way. I know what is my mistake. Mistake after mistake. The mistake. Okay, don't do my mistake. I see my mistake. You know, sometimes you do small thing and you miss them. Of course there is a gap. I'll explain now why. You see, I'm thinking with you. Because first I need to close this, yeah? And the screws were from here. And the gap was because the screws blocked the way. Okay, so yeah. So don't do my mistake. I told you first time I'm doing it. I've never done it. So keep learning through try and error till everything look reasonable to me. And you see I'm doing some thinking, try and error, like everything in life is, I guess, try and error. Okay, now it's fit perfectly. The gap here is almost nothing. And yeah, we'll close all the 4 screws here. But yeah, but I see on my bench only 3. I have here 4 screws. Okay. So now let's close them. Where is the Phillips? Okay, this was till the end. Now I'm going, not the screw on this near, but I'm going like 100 degrees from the screws that I put now, in order to know it's more correct, let's say, to close it like this. Why it's correct? Because all the forces are more even. Okay. Okay, one last one. See, I'm not using power tools here because plastic can break. I think this is a better way. Now let's see that the issue is solved. You see? Stopping. So this was the issue. Hope you enjoy. Thank you and bye.